While having a screwdriver with a full set of precision bits is very nice to have, it could be argued that unless you are regularly updating or repairing electronic devices, something like this set is perhaps a little overkill. So in our toolkit, we like to keep a Show Me precision screwdriver. This screwdriver set comes in a compact but weighty 300-gram aluminium sleeve that is 65mm wide by 170mm tall and 18mm deep, which makes it both sturdy and portable. If we press the bottom, a tray is released which contains the screwdriver and 24 bits of various types. In the tray we have a screwdriver and a set of bits, which in total amounts to 24 bits that include Phillips, flathead, torque, secure torque, pentaloop, triangle, hexagon, and tri-part bits. If we take a look at the driver, while there is a motorized version, we prefer the manual driver as it gives us better control. As each bit is magnetized, not only will they stay in their allotted slots, if we plug one into the screwdriver, it will sit securely, allowing us to catch and hold any screws that we're working with, which all adds up to a compact, strong and durable precision screwdriving kit, which we find perfect when we need to open or repair the various devices that we own.